everyone, welcome back to Sunday Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Imbewu the seat from the 29th to the 2nd of April 2021 on Monday. Nkululeko feels guilty about Kamadotsela's prison sentence, but Fikile warns him against coming clean. Phakade Phil lost without Kamadotsela on Tuesday. Nokuzola wins the first round of Mazulu's court case. Nkululeko feels angry and betrayed, but Nokuzola make it clear that she is not his lapdog on Wednesday. Kamadotsela's situation in prison goes from bad to worse when she is attacked by the head gangster on Thursday. Kamadotsela is harassed and intimidated by a prison guard and inmate. The prison warden urges her to form alliances to survive the duration of her sentence on Friday. Maluchu employees are unimpressed about Mazulu's changes to the company. Mazulu gets news that the Maluchu drivers are protesting. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.